In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable the one-handed mode feature on your Samsung device. One-handed mode is a useful feature that allows you to easily navigate and use your phone with just one hand. It can be especially helpful if you have a larger device or if you find it challenging to reach certain areas of the screen. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Advanced Features. Tap on it. And now you'll see the one-handed mode option. To enable this feature, simply toggle on this switch over here. Now you've successfully enabled one-handed mode on your Samsung device. To use the one-handed mode, swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. If you find it difficult to use the gesture to go into one-handed mode, you can change it. To do that, tap over here. And then tap and select button. And now you can double tap the home button to go into one-handed mode. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.